How to upload to a learner's ePortfolio. First, log into avenue.ca. Then, click the Binder link in the banner. On the My Portfolio page, click the Select Course drop-down item. In the Select Course drop-down menu, choose a course. Open the Select Student drop-down and choose a student's name. The student's ePortfolio is displayed. Click the Upload button on the My Portfolio toolbar. The Upload panel appears. Use the Choose Related Artifact drop-down menu to select the artifact with which the uploaded file should be associated. The uploaded file will be added to that artifact and can be accessed by clicking the View button on the artifact's thumbnail. If the uploaded file is not associated with an artifact, leave the Choose Related Artifact drop-down set to No Related Artifact. In the Choose Course drop-down, select the course. If the uploaded file is not part of a course, leave it set to No Associated Course. In the Choose Skill drop-down, select the skill, or choose Other or About Me. Either drag the file onto the panel's drop area or click the Choose File button and select the file from your computer. Only the file types listed above the Choose File button can be uploaded. Please see the allowed file types here. After you add the file, its name will appear below the Choose File button. Click the Upload button at the bottom of the panel to upload the file. A message will appear confirming that the file has been uploaded. Click the Choose Another File button to upload an additional file. Please note, if the file was uploaded to a specific artifact, but you don't want the next file added to the same artifact, change Choose Related Artifact to a different artifact or to No Related Artifact. Click the Close button when you are done. The file is uploaded and the artifact thumbnail appears on the learner's My Portfolio page.